Hey, I'm at school and I'm making a video, and you can hear everybody around me, and I just wanted to do this. I've been wanting to do this for a while now, but I just never really had the guts to until my friend,
There's also the
that's Taylor, she's awesome, convinced me that I should make a video. And my teacher had to go get toner downstairs and stuff, so I'm just making a YouTube video. Hey, Charlie. And I look crazy right now talking to myself. Not much. I saw Iron Man 3 at the premiere last night. That was awesome. And this video is kind of pointless right now. It's Friday. It's awesome. I love Fridays. Super tired, except the premiere started at 9 instead of midnight, which was kind of good considering I had to go to school today.
Yes, dude. You gotta show Kirsten these, okay?
There's this thing called Special Olympics going on. So a ton of people are gone from class. So there's like 8 people in my class maybe, when there's usually like 30. So that definitely changes things up at school. And of course the school year's about to end, so everybody's wanting it to end like right now. So no work getting done, just chilling out. It's school, so they say, but I really don't believe it. Not for a second. And, well, we're just gonna continue sitting here at class, pretending we're doing work, and, well, that's about all.